My name is Maya Curry and I'm a welder.
I think it's great that we're seeing more female involvement in CTE and welding. Right now the welding industry is about 6% female, and right now in our courses we're running about 20%, which is spectacular. I think Maya is a great example of somebody who is really inspirational because she's doing what she wants to do, not what society thinks she should or could do. I think Maya's going to be seen as kind of an accidental pioneer. She's somebody who is taking welding because it's interesting to her, and I think in the future people like Maya will be seen as pioneers, but I think what's cool is that's not her intent. She's just doing what she wants to do and doing something that's interesting to her.
What got me started in welding was a STEM conference that I went to. I got an email about it when I was homeschooled. I wasn't really positive I wanted to go, but they said the lunch was going to be served, so I was like, man, food, okay, I'll come. And I showed up and they had all these different stations. Like they had a physics, we went to the physics classroom and played around with a bunch of that science stuff and a dentistry thing, and then everyone was super excited about the welding, but I had no idea what it was. So I showed up and they had these little designs that we could make. There was like a rose and a deer thing. So I picked the rose, and they had each part separately made, and we had to, put it together. I got to watch while a student volunteer tacked each of these parts, and then personally I got to do this tack with the help, of course. And ever since then I've known that welding is something that I wanted to do because it's so incredibly amazing, and it's something that anyone can do. So I think I've definitely changed some of the people in my life's views on welding, and specifically women in welding, because when I first joined they were like, oh, you're going to hate it, it's going to suck for you, you're not going to be able to do it, it's going to be super hard. But it's something I really enjoy, and it's amazing, and I think after they see how much I'm loving it, they've realized that it's really not anything too scary or intimidating. It's something that anyone can do. Welding is amazing to me because you can take anything ordinary and make it extraordinary. Any piece of metal, just your imagination is the limit. You can make anything, do anything, cut it, grind it, weld it, anything you want to do. It's just amazing to melt two pieces of metal together. You need the tools to make the things that you want to do. Like we have a plasma cutter, basically, which I think is the coolest. And anything you can think of that you need, we probably have here. You don't see a lot of women in welding, but that's something that I definitely want to see changed in the future, because it's not something that is necessarily a man versus woman thing. Anyone can do it, and that's something that most people should know because it's an amazing job.